Hi, welcome to Samsung's Experience Store. Come on in and let me show you our latest smartphone, the Galaxy S21 series. Check out the bold new design of our Galaxy S21 series. The contour cut camera blends right into the housing for a new iconic look. The Galaxy S21 series comes with a camera so good, everyone's a pro. Pick up on details with high resolution, even at a distance with space zoom. And take bright and vivid photos even in the dark of night. The Galaxy S21 series allows you to capture and relive moments with cinema quality 8K video. In director's view, choose your angles with just a tap for more creative control. With single take, the enhanced AI processing captures multiple share-worthy photos and videos in one take. Also take advantage of the large intelligent battery which outlasts a day, even on 5G. The Galaxy S21 series has a super smooth 120Hz screen. Dynamic AMOLED 2X delivers all your favorite content unbelievably bright and incredibly vivid. With so many amazing features, the Galaxy S21 series is just for you. Get yours now with special offers and financing programs through Samsung. Thanks!